In this video, we will see how to italicize in Discord. Let's get started. Here is my Discord account. If you don't have one, go to the Discord website and create an account. Go over there and choose a server. Enter text. Now select text. You can see on the top that a bar is open. Here is an italic option. Click over here. You can see the text converted into italic. You can also convert it into bold, strike-through, quote, and add code to text as well. Here you can add the double line on both sides. From here you can send GIFs, stickers, and emojis to your friends. This is how you can italicize in Discord. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.